friends, in this video we will learn how to make this 3D sketch in the model in Creo software. Now first of all we study this 3D sketch. Now here you can see this is a one simple type of extruded and rip features. Now here you can first of all draw with this 62 plus 12 mm square, and now height is also 62 plus 12 mm and extrude up to 125. Now here you can see this is a 12 mm step. So first of all we choose this right side plane and draw this type of sketch. Now open the Creo and select the exercise 18. Okay. Now first of all select the sketch and select the right plane, and now draw the one rectangle. Select this one is a linear, and now give the dimension of 12 mm. Now this one is a 64 plus 12 mm, and now this one is a half of this 76. Now draw the another rectangle. Now this height is also 64 plus 12 mm. This rectangle 12 plus 62. So this one is 12 plus 62. Now also this one is a 12 plus 62. Now from this edge 12 mm, and now coincide with this line. This thickness is 12 mm, and also this one is a 12 mm also. Select 12 mm. Now trim the line. Okay. Finish this sketch. Select extrude. No extrude because one single line is here. So first of all we remove that line. Delete. Now you can see the change the color. Extrude it. Now select here mid plane and extrude up to 125. Select 125. Okay. Now make this all 15 mm from this side and 50 mm. The whole diameter is 15 mm, so make 215 mm diameter hole. Select sketch. Okay. Now draw 2 circle. Now give the dimension 15 mm from this edge, 15 mm, and now all diameter 15 mm. Now same here 15 mm, 15 mm whole diameter, and from this edge 15 mm. Now finish this one. Now select the extrude opposite direction and through next. Okay. Now make this two hole. So from this both edges 20 mm, and now this hole is from upper 30 mm and the lower edge is 30 mm. Now hole diameter is 12 mm. So open this one, select this face. Okay. Now draw two hole and give the diameter 12 mm. From this edge 20 mm and this hole from upper edge 30 mm, 12 mm hole diameter, (20 mm) from this edge, and now (30 mm). This one is the upper 30 and this one is the lower edge 30 mm. Now okay, extrude opposite direction through next. Okay. Now here two slot is given 20 mm, 12 mm, and this one is 12 mm. The distance between this gap is 20 mm and 50 mm this length. Now select the top face. Okay. Now this both equal, and now this both equal, this both edges. Now enter here 12 mm and this side is 15 mm, 12 mm and this one is 15 mm. Now gap between this is 20 mm, so enter here 20 mm, and now from this middle half of 20. Now linear this. Okay. Now extrude opposite direction. Select to okay. Now only rib is remaining, so make 12 mm and now angle is 30 degrees. Now first of all render it. Select sketch mid plane, and now draw the line. Select coincide, and now give the dimension angle with this edge 30. Okay. Now select the profile rib. Okay. To mm rib. Okay. Now make this radius 10 mm radius, all same. Select round. Okay. Now our model is ready. Now thanks for watching these videos.